teach you something fun. If you have kids in the house, you're going to laugh. If you want to also spoil yourself, you're going to laugh, which is my sausage cutting skills or my sausage art. That's how I call it, sausage art. Yes, all you need is the sausages, preferably the big sausages. So yes, that becomes more easy to work with than the very soft sausage, or yes, those ones. And you can enjoy those. Yes, you can check them out. My how do you call it, my braised rice recipe or my spaghetti rice recipe. Yes, my spaghetti and one more. Where you just toast your spaghetti, you add in your vegetables, and then your rice goes in. You put in your water and your salt, and you're good to go. And I always enjoy this with my sausage, crafted beautifully onto it, and some fried eggs as well. But if you want to check out the full video of how to make your spaghetti rice, you can check out that on my channel as well. It's already here, and yes, it's super awesome. Yes, those days when you don't really have so much cash but you want to eat something nice, this is actually the recipe you should be trying out. But today, that's not our main focus. No, today our main focus is the sausages. Yes, the sausages. And you know, sausages are, you shouldn't be eating it the same way all the time. Yes, I'm going to show you how to do the chips and all those ones in there. So to begin off, I'm going to do the spiral one, the one that has a circle now. That type. And no, what you trying to say? But as you're cutting, don't let it cut to the base. Then the one that it puffs up, all through, so you just cut it 4. Yes, but make sure that it's not touching the very base of it. This is also going to give you a spiral, yes, as well. Then this one I'm dividing into 2, and then I'm going to cut it into small strips. So this will give you like a chips kind of sausage. This is great if you are doing meat, vegetable stew and all those ones, and you want your sausage to actually be well standing out in there. Yes, and then this is what I call the floral one, which I do like. I'm doing the spiral, but then I divide the top into 2 as well. So when it splits or is cooking, it's going to split into the various sides. So I heat up my oil in, then I just fry them in. You don't want to really load it too much because this is going to expand. This is going to expand. And for the spiral one, you need space because it's going to be coiling. If your pan is not well spacious, it's going to tear into 2 or break up like the first one. Yes, but if there's space, it's going to be able to coil by itself. And as one side cooks, you have to turn for the other side. So you realize that the flower one has also popped beautifully, and the spiral one has done its spiral design there, very beautiful in there. The single ones, the chipsy ones, that also goes in. So if you're that type who doesn't really like sausage, or you like it very crispy and crunchy, then this is a way to actually go, the chipsy type. When you're done, let it cool down and you can enjoy a sausage with whatever you want to eat it with, and you know, just pamper yourself small. Nafakele, you know, sausages. No? So yes, like I said, I enjoyed this with my office team. So I hope you did like it. If you did like, give me a thumbs up here and give me your comments as well on it. And till I see you in the next food video, please subscribe. And when you're done subscribing, make sure you live life to the fullest. Be joyous, be merry. Lots of love from my team and I. Mwah.